Okay, so I have a problem with driver's seat. I've put this on here to cover it, but it's kind of falling apart. So my solution is to get another seat, right? Gotta have another seat. Just have to. So what I've decided to do is I bought a set of seats. This is the driver's seat, but as you can see, the bolster has flattened out over the years. So what I'm going to do is take the driver's cushion off, put it on the passenger side, and the passenger side on the driver's side. That way, the soft bolster area will be on the passenger side. Well, yeah, on the passenger side, and the passenger side will be on the driver's side, if that makes any sense, if you get what I'm saying. Alright, well I hope it's not too dark, but I've done one, so I figured out how to do it, and it's really easy to do. So the driver's seat is done. Time for the passenger seat. So, sorry it's so dark, but that's how the seat ended up coming out. Not too bad. Gotta shampoo that now, get it nice and clean. But you get the idea.